We begin with the project foundation. Confirm the TATA Motors business and legal entities in scope, the primary geography, planning owner, delivery dates, requirement provider, and functional lead. This decision is critical because every model, hierarchy, interface, security rule, and report depends on the approved implementation perimeter. This section confirms who must participate in discovery. It covers corporate and business finance, plant controlling, sales finance, supply chain, workforce, capital programs, treasury and technology data owners. Assign named representatives, decision authority, and a sign-off method so that workshop conclusions become accountable design decisions. Here we select the planning processes that Oracle Planning must support. The choices include vehicle volume, mix, and revenue, material and commodity cost, plant operations, operating expense, workforce, capital expenditure, working capital, integrated statements, strategic planning, sustainability, engineering programs, and management reporting. Each selection creates traceable requirements in the final matrix. This tab defines the planning time horizon and control structure. Validate the April to March fiscal calendar, monthly frequency, rolling forecast duration and cadence, scenarios, versions, reporting currency, and exchange rate types. Overseas entities may require different local calendars and currencies, so confirm translation and group reporting alignment. This section proposes separate models for core automotive planning, workforce, capital expenditure, and reporting. Confirm whether each model needs block storage, aggregate storage, or a hybrid design. The final choice should reflect calculation complexity, dimensional grain, data volume, security boundaries, reporting needs and performance expectations. Dimensions describe how TATA Motors will enter, calculate, and analyze plan data. Review the standard dimensions and the proposed automotive hierarchies for legal entity, business, vehicle line, model and variant, plant, market and channel, cost center, program, project, and currency. For each dimension, confirm the authoritative source, member count, alternate hierarchies, attributes and ownership. This tab captures the formulas that turn operational assumptions into financial results. Examples include vehicle revenue from volume and net realization, material cost from units and standard cost, production from demand and inventory policy, workforce cost from headcount and compensation, depreciation from capital projects, working capital days and foreign exchange translation. Confirm grain, source, owner, and override policy for every driver. This section identifies the data flows between Oracle Planning and Enterprise systems. Validate the actual source systems for general ledger, sales, and dealers, manufacturing, procurement and costing, human resources, capital projects and treasury rates. For every interface, agree frequency, integration method, ownership, error handling and a reconciliation control. Here we define how plans move from preparation to submission, review, approval, and publication. Confirm the planning unit, approval sequence, task management approach and role-based security. Sensitive employee compensation, supplier pricing and product program information require explicit access controls, segregation of duties, audit retention and negative access testing. This decision register prevents unresolved assumptions from becoming accidental design. Update the status, accountable owner, and target milestone for every open item. A decision should be marked confirmed only when the workshop evidence or approved design reference is available. The final tab converts all selections into a requirement traceability matrix. Review the requirement statement, proposed Oracle configuration, business owner, status, and acceptance criteria. Use Generate RTM to refresh the output, export CSV for further review, save draft for browser local storage or print and PDF for a workshop pack.